These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I'll take some trades and explain each and every single one of them. My first trade is going to be this one. Let's go. This is a doji break. You see this little doji right here, and now we broke the doji. Next candle expected to be green, and that's why I take this trade. In general, we are in a ranging market. You know that when we are in a ranging market, this is going to be support area, and up here is going to be resistance. So now our trade is in the direction of the potential next movement of the chart. All right. After this candle, most likely it's going to be a double bottom and start a movement. So if I see a buy setup after this, I'll take it. So this trade was a doji break, and we still have opportunity, potential opportunity if we break this doji from above as well. Okay. So we're just gonna need to wait and see what happens. I will also journal my trade just like that. I'll take a screenshot and put it in my little journal thing real fast. Let's go. And I'm gonna look for other opportunities. All right, you see another doji right here, but you need to check the market movement, see if you have in a correct direction. Now we have this proper ranging market for the doji, and previously also worked. See, this doji is broken, and then this is a retracement. Now I'm looking to see if it's going to be broken from downside, so I can take a trade if there's any other combination or confirmations. I don't think it's gonna break it, so I'm gonna just check the other pairs, and hopefully I'm gonna find another good opportunity. Okay, we don't have market sequence. Okay, we have nothing here. What about this one? This is uptrend. The price is coming down. Okay, we got the gap down. We do have an order block down here. Price still can push down, so I'm gonna look for other opportunities. Nice little third touch breakout. You already know what setup is that. An opportunity. We do have an order block right down here. This is a respected resistance, broken aggressively and creating this order block down here, potential demand. So, and this is a ranging market. So imagine if a doji is created somewhere here and then broken, these areas will be areas that we can have trades. But right now we don't have anything. I'm going to keep looking. If you can avoid the low percentage pairs by adding new ones, just like that, I'm going to look for other opportunities. Just want to have a quick reminder that the new intake for the mentorship has started. More details in the Telegram channel. This is a demand. Okay, as you can see, price finally reached to the area that can bounce back up. And if I have any buy set up, it should be somewhere here. But I don't kind of trust that. It just keeps dropping. I don't want to go against it. So yeah, we still have the ranging market right here. We broke this little doji, if you remember. This work here, it worked once again. And I don't know if I should trust this. I want to trust it. Let's go. But we took it in the opposite direction. We don't have any history for the doji breaking from the downside. So that makes it a little tough. I'll look for other opportunities. Alright, so it's about to be closing. It's about to close. 2-1. Oh my god, this was a risky trade to take. Even though the doji is previously broken 2 times and it worked just like that, but we didn't have any of it happen from the downside yet, so it could fail us, but it worked. And also we had this little gap up against us. If you don't know what gap up is some kind of confirmation, or gap down maybe. And I've created some videos about it, if you can find in the channel. Yeah, it was a good one. Again, doji break. We had some negative confirmation though. Add it. If I enable the rules for this, we technically should stop in this session because we already have. See, the confidence is pretty high in the confidence meter. It's showing 95. It means that taking next trade and winning is less probable. And I turned the rules off right here because sometimes I just like now, I take 3 winning trades and I should stop, okay? The journal doesn't accept more trades if I hit triple trade back to back. And it's part of the money management rules, as you can see here. And I turned this off because of the purpose of the video. Sometimes I need to take more videos, more trades because of the video. But technically, I would just call it a day right now. But I want to just give it a shot and see if we can find another good trade. I'll take it if only it's a good trade, okay? I don't want to shoot randomly. All right, we do have a common point of rejection though. Let me see. Okay, you see this drop? Up, spike, again down, up. Right now, if we see, we have potential drop coming, but from the bigger picture. But if I zoom, we are still in the ranging market. It can just range forever. Okay, so if I'm inside the range, we do have a demand down here and also supply above there. And right now we're here. So I want to trade in the direction of the supply and demand here. So if I break this doji from downside, this little doji, I can take a buy and combine it with the common point of rejection down here, okay? And right now it's broken from above and it's giving us a red one, but it's breaking from downside right now. Since I hit take profit today, I'm gonna go very small on this one. And I'm gonna, oh shit, I already touched the common point of rejection, holy crap. Yeah, that's unlucky. Let's see if it's going to break it. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. I actually took it with crazy margin of safety unintentionally. Yep. So it's going to be a little doji break. We need to make sure that we are in the proper range. And if you add stuff like common point of rejection or gap down or you know, being in a demand area like this or being a supply area. This is a supply above, which never touched yet. It just improves your chance to win the trade if you add stuff. Okay, let's see how this little $200 trade will do for us. You know what? Even if I lose this trade, I will still stop because I already hit my take profit. Okay. Let's see how this is going to close. Also, I will mention in my journal, okay? I will mention in my journal that I took this particular trade for the sake of... Okay, see, now the confidence level is 100, which is overconfident. And now, if a typical trader goes to the chart and takes another trade, probably it will not going to be a high quality trade, okay? So yeah, I will call it a day. Did you follow rules? Yes. Did you learn anything new? Yeah. I mean, did you make any mistakes? Technically, I 3 wins, but okay, I just write this down here. So next time I'm looking and I have a crazy failing session and I have this done to that session, and then I realize that, oh, this is a very bad thing to do. Okay, I added this session. Thank you for watching. Make sure you join the Telegram channel. And if you want this little journal, you can get it free on the link in the description. Peace out.